still at it. We're still not having much luck, but we thought we had these turkeys pretty good yesterday, and we was up and they went down, so we're down today. We expect them to go up, but we're gonna give her another shot. It's supposed to be a little bit cloudy and maybe some rain later on, but we're just sitting on this big old green field down here. And there's been some turkeys pretty consistent down here, so if we're lucky, they'll get back down in here. We snuck out here really early and got our decoy out and everything, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully Matt get a bird killed. As always, thank you for watching Ozark Traditions TV.
Sounds like TJ and Matt might be in business. It wasn't long before Matt and TJ spotted a couple of jakes hit the field with a big old gobbler bringing up the rear. Unfortunately, the jakes went up the ridge and took the gobbler with them. It wasn't long after the two jakes and gobbler left the field that Matt and TJ had a bird coming in on a string. With it being late in the season and having no birds on the ground, and this jake hanging around for several minutes, Matt decides to pull the trigger.
Was that loud?
Yeah, it's pretty loud. Well, guys, I don't know if you could hear our conversation, but
we were covered up with gobblers.
There was a gobbler behind us. We had a gobbler come in the field, and there's a gobbler here, and there's one at the other end of the field. They don't want nothing to do with us, man.
They don't like the way we smell or something.
Me and Matt, it's just sucked. But
this old Jake, he come in and did it right.
Right. We ain't scared to shoot jakes. That ain't never been a problem. And we just got to thinking about how good he'd go with some of them Todd Lewis taters, and whew. Well, you see what happened to him. He ain't
And by
doing
my
so good.
watch, we could even catch a crappie.
That's what I'm thinking. So, hey, you know what? We got
Shooting turkeys.
shooting turkeys. That's
Turkey.
right. We actually killed a turkey today. It's a good day. It's been tough, guys. This morning was the best morning we've had. We had gobblers all around us, and we had one strutting. I mean, he couldn't have been 60, 70 yards up the hill behind us. Would not come into this field at all. So, this Jake's been circling this decoy for the past 45 minutes, and we've been talking about him, and we decided it'd be a good day for him to be on the dinner plate. So
we let him have it.
we're not about the score, we're about the loins, as old Rut Daniel would say. But anyways, guys, we're gonna go out there and check him out, and
Measure the hooks on this thing, huh?
hopefully we got a tape big enough. Let's go see what he looks like.
Get on the blood here somewhere.
Yeah.
Would you look at that?
Looks tasty to me.
I don't know what the snood will score on this one. Good enough. Well, he's a good little turkey bird. Look at the size of the beard on that sucker. What do you think it go, TJ? 4 inches?
Every day.
Pretty good bird.
The important part is, did you get any pellets in the breast?
I don't believe so.
That's what
She
matters.
feels intact. Well, guys, we've been turkey hunting today. We killed a turkey. That's what we was after, and that's what we did. So, unless we stumble across one on the way to the truck, I think we're probably gonna go catch us a crappie now.
You know what goes good with crappie? Turkey.
Turkeys.
The turkey just
They're still gobbling up there. Oh, it's been a pretty good day just out here enjoying the outdoors and being with my good friend TJ. So, thanks for being with us today, folks. And thank you for watching Ozark Traditions TV.
From all of us at Ozark Traditions TV, we thank you for watching. And remember, if you see us out in God's country, stop us. We'd like to meet you.